Back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we give you a nice lovely jumbo king prawn salad. You know what I mean? It's just amazing recipe, guys. It's just so fantastic. I know you guys are gonna love this one because something totally different on the menu. You know, it's coming up to summer. It's gonna be really hot, and you know what I mean, this kind of weather you need something totally different. So what did I just make you a nice lovely simple jumbo king prawn salad for summer. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and also remember, if you got too much money, you can always donate some to Chef Ricardo cooking show. We're coming out with a brand new strudel, which you're gonna see everything what's happening in the kitchen, guys. It's gonna be amazing. Few people donate already, but we still have a long way to go. So hopefully we can get more in the future and get a copy of the cookbook 50% off on Amazon. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is some Chef Ricardo and the team working very hard. Bye-bye. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Anyway, today we want to give you a nice, lovely jumbo king prawn salad. Basically, it's a very easy, simple recipe, guys. As I say, you can go to any local shop and buy some prawn like this one. Sometimes they come cook already. All you need to do is just give them a nice stir fry. Because this one already come cook. I brought a pack of prawn and king prawn, and this one already cooked. So look at this now. Inside of this little bowl right here, I have a pack of king prawn, jumbo king prawn, and we're gonna make a salad with it. So first thing what we're gonna do, I got a clove of garlic, and I'm gonna simply fine dice stuff just like this and put it on it just like that. Then I got some white onion right here, and I'm gonna simply cut a few pieces of the white onion. And I'm gonna put it straight on it like this. I got some spring onion right here. I'm gonna put some spring onion. Just like that. And just like that. Then a little bit of coarse pepper. As I can see, just, you know what I mean, you can add your favorite stuff where you like to add on it. As I can see where Chef Ricardo be doing right here. A pinch of mixed herb. The flavor. And also a pinch of fish seasoning. Nice and lovely. Then simple pop a little bit of oil, vegetable oil or olive oil. And just use a spoon and give it a nice little stir like this. Lovely. And nice. So as you can see. Now we're gonna show you how you can fry up for roughly about 5 to 6 minutes. Easy and simple recipe. In a medium-sized front pan like this, medium-sized heat. Pop just a pinch of olive oil, not too much. As you can see, front pan is a little bit hot at the moment, and all I'm gonna do is pop this in it. But what happened, we're gonna get a lot of flavor from the garlic, and also, as you can see, you can see that nice lovely scent already coming from the garlic, and also from the onion and the spring onion. It's just beautiful. So we're gonna fry this for about 6 to 7 minutes, all right, on a medium-sized heat. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, all the prawn are looking lovely inside of the pan. But what I'm gonna do is simply sprinkle a little bit of paprika just to give it a little bit of color. Just a little pinch of paprika, not too much. Because paprika is a very strong thing and you don't want to get too much. Just to give it a little bit of color. It's gonna change the color a little bit. So we can see. So we're gonna give this a rough another about 5 to 6 minutes. And such a salad like this, you can make it from the day before, cool it down and bring it to work and have it at work for lunch. Jumbo king prawn salad. Look at that, beautiful and nice. And as you can see, the scent coming from the garlic, the onion, just really nice. So basically we're just gonna give this another 2 more seconds and it's gonna be ready, because you don't want to overcook them too much. Because remember, this prawn already come cooked, and you can buy the one which are not cooked. So you got option, guys. And as I say, you can go to any local shop, supermarket, and buy some king prawn and make yourself a nice, lovely salad. As you can see, that's beautiful and fantastic. Lovely. So now this is finished. As you can see, we're gonna share it out, and you guys can see exactly what we are about. As you can see, this is finished now. Thank you so much for watching the Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe coming out, guys, and I know you guys are gonna love these recipes which we are coming out with day by day. It's this summer, and I mean, we need to change up the recipe, you know what I mean, getting new ideas to fill the gap them, because the fans them want new ideas, new things to do at home. So this is where Chef Ricardo come in and fill those gaps. So now this is finished, and basically we're gonna simply shear it out. But if you're doing a salad like this at home, you need to make it cool down first before you serve it with some iceberg lettuce or some salad. Because I did make some salad a little bit earlier, and I'm gonna show you what's going on. Look at this now, guys. Nice and lovely. So basically, I did make some salad a little bit earlier. So right here, if I get my salad, I'll just put it simple like this inside of the bowl, like this. Okay, guys can see exactly what's going on right here. These are what Chef Ricardo is preaching, and I want the fans them to be healthy this summer. All right. So this is just some green jam which I make, green jam lettuce which I make earlier, with some tomato and cucumber. As I say, you can make this at home. All you need, you can use iceberg lettuce. You can use your favorite lettuce and make yourself some nice and lovely salad like this at home. So basically, what you need to do is simple. Get it like this, you know what I mean, because you can see just fresher than too long make it. You got a lot more recipe with this salad coming out. Get that jumbo king prawn, and all you're gonna do is simple. It's a little bit warm at the moment, but if you want to make this salad, guys, you need to make it cool down first at home, as you can see, because you don't want to keep it too hot. This nice and lovely. But as you can see, exactly where I'm just pointing out, guys, as you guys can see exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with this nice and lovely salad. Jumbo king prawn salad, really nice, and I know you guys are gonna love this one. It's just something totally different I put on the menu, because I know that there's a lot of my fans that keep asking me for ideas and also recipe which can fill the gap. So that's where I always say, that's where Chef Ricardo come in, and I will always try to be where I can fill all of those gaps, guys. So basically, I know you guys gonna love this one, because it's just something totally different on the menu, and hopefully you will subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. And all you have to do is just simply serve it with a nice, lovely piece of a lemon like that. And I mean, because it's prawn, you know, it's part of a fish same way. You can basically serve it with a piece of a lemon, or if it doesn't like lemon, so you can have it with a little bit of, if you like salad cream, also you can add some salad cream to it. You can add your favorite sauce or stuff where you like mayonnaise, whatever you like to add to it, you can always add it to it. You can simply put a little bit of coarse pepper around it like this, give it a little more color and stuff. So hopefully guys will like this recipe. It's just a prawn, jumbo king prawn salad recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team, working very hard to fill a lot of gap, family gap, and also
person who want to be healthy and be healthy for this. Thanks so much, and this is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and see you next time. Bye-bye.